In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Wix website. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to give your existing site a fresh new look, I'll guide you through the simple steps to achieve a complete reset in just a few minutes. Now, there are a couple of ways you can go about this, depending on your specific needs. You can either duplicate your existing site and then delete elements or restore an older version. So, let's delve into these options. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account and head over to your site's dashboard. This is essentially your starting point for managing your site. Once you're on your dashboard, you're going to want to click Edit Site. This takes you directly to your site's editing area, and from there, you can start working towards your reset. Next, up in the editing area, find your site's history. By clicking on Site and then Site History, you'll get access to a timeline of all the changes and revisions your website has undergone. This is incredibly useful if you want to revert to a past version of your site. You can hover over any of the versions listed in this timeline. When you decide on a version you'd like to restore, you simply click the arrow next to it and then hit Restore. This action takes your site back to that previous state, undoing all edits or changes made since that version. If, however, you prefer manually rebuilding your site from scratch, but are fond of the template you're currently using, you can manually delete each element. This way, you get a clean slate while retaining your original template. Sometimes staying with a familiar design helps speed up the creative process. For those inclined towards a complete restart, including using a new template, head back to your dashboard. You'll notice an ellipsis or 3 dots beside your site. Click on this to find more options. Select Create New Site from the drop-down menu. This will let you decide whether you want to create a blank site or choose from a plethora of new templates. Think of this as starting completely fresh, offering you the freedom to explore new design structures or implement the latest design trends suited to your style or business needs. With these options identified, you're now armed with the knowledge to reset your Wix site effectively. Each method offers different levels of change, from subtle reversions to a whole new creative direction. Happy creating, and remember, no matter what changes you make, Wix allows you the flexibility to adjust and readjust until your site looks exactly how you've envisioned it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your web designing journey a little bit smoother.